Assalamualaikum. My name is Auli Corina binti Naharudin. Today I will be presenting to you how to solve question number 1. So the question is, Mr. Abdul Wahid, an engineer, planned to retire in 25 years. Thus he decided to make an investment for his retirement. He has the choice of either contributing 2,400 ringgit at the end of every year for 25 years at 6% compounded annually, or contributing 200 ringgit at the end of every month at 6% compounded monthly. Determine A, the accumulated amount that Mr. Abdul Wahid will have in 25 years if he make annual contribution. B, the amount that Mr. Abdul Wahid will have in 25 years if he make monthly contribution. C, which investment that will earn a greater amount of interest. Question 1A, the accumulated amount that Mr. Abdul Wahid will have in 25 years if he make annual contribution. So from the question, we got P, the original principal is 2,400 ringgit. T, the term of investment is 25 years. K, the nominal interest rate is 6%. M, the frequency of conversion is 1. R, we can get from K over M, which is 0.06 over 1, which is equal to 0.06. And N, the number of interest period is we can get from M multiplied with T, which is 1, multiplied with 25, which is 25. So the formula we use in this question is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N. So S equal to RM 2,400 ringgit bracket 1 plus 0.06 bracket power of 25. So S equal to RM 10300.49. Question 1B, the amount that Mr. Abdul Wahid will have in 25 years if he makes monthly contribution. So from the question, we got R, the periodic payment is 200 ringgit, K 6%, M equal to 12, T equal to 25, I we can get from K over M, which is 0.06 over 12, and N we can get from M multiplied with T, which is 12 multiplied with 25, which is equal to 300. So the formula for this question is S equal to R, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket, power of N minus 1 over I, close bracket. So S equal to 200, open bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 12, close bracket, power of 300 minus 1 over 0.06 over 12, close bracket. So S we got RM 138,598.79. Question 1C, which investment that will earn a greater amount of interest? So for the interest for our question A, we will use formula I equal to S minus P. So I equal to RM 10300.49 minus RM 2400. So I equal to RM 7900.49. The interest for question B, we will use the formula I equal to S minus N multiplied with R. So I equal to RM 138,598.79 minus 300 multiplied with 200. So I equal to RM 78,598.79. In here, we can conclude that Mr. Abdul Wahid will earn a greater amount of interest by making the B investment, which is the interest earned is RM 78,598.79.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ain Mardian binti Muhammad Yahya. I am required to solve the question number 2. Kumar decide to buy Proton X70 which costs RM 128,800. He makes a down payment of 20,000 ringgit and the balance will be financed through a bank at 4.5% compounded monthly. Kumar agrees to pay back the loan by making equal monthly payment for 9 years. A. Calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. B. If Kumar failed to pay the first 2 monthly payments, determine the amount to be paid on the 3rd month to settle the outstanding areas. C. If Kumar planned to settle the loan immediately after paying the 60 payment, calculate the amount to be paid. So for question A, calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. So the information they given is down payment is 20,000 ringgit. Then for the loan, RM 128,800 minus 20,000 ringgit equals to RM 108,800. So for K, nominal rate which is 4.5%, same as 0.045. Then N, for frequency of conversion is 12. Then T is 9. Then for periodic interest rate, which is I, equals with K over M, same as 0.045 over 12. Then number of interest period, which is N, equals with MT, same as 12 multiplied with 9, equals with 108. So the formula that we use is Annuity, which is A equals with R, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I, power of negative N divided with I. So for the calculation, 108,800 equals R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.045 over 12 bracket power of negative 108 over 10.045 over 12 close bracket. Then 108,800 equals with R multiplied with 88.67140664. So the answer for the monthly payment is RM 1227. Then for the interest, we use formula I equals to NR minus A. So the calculation is 108 multiplied with 1227.002076 minus 108,800. So the answer for interest is RM 132,516.22. So the question is, if Kumar failed to pay the first 2 monthly payment, Determine the amount to be paid on the third month to settle the outstanding arrears. So the information that given is n equals with 3, r is 1227.002076, and I is 0.045 over 12. So the formula that we use is S equals R bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative n minus 1 over I. So the calculation is 1227.002076 bracket 1 plus 0.045 over 12 power of 3 minus 1 over 0.045 over 12 close bracket. So the answer is RM36941883. Then for question C, if Kuma planned to settle the loan immediately after paying the 60 payment, calculate the amount to be paid. So the information that given is n equals with 108 minus 60. Then the formula that we use is A equals with R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative n, then divide with I close bracket, and the calculation is 1227.002076 multiplied with bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 12 close bracket, then the power of negative 48 divided with 0.045 over 12. So the answer or the amount to be paid is RM53807.65.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Shakila and I am required to do question 3, chapter 6, trade and cash discount. Amani bought an item from a furniture dealer with trade discount of 12%, 8% and 5%. The net price was RM4,999.28 and the transportation charges were RM300. The invoice was dated 26 August 2022 with cash terms 6/10, 2/15 and net 30. A. Explain the cash discount terms of 6/10, 2/15 and net 30. B. Find the list price of the item. C. Determine the amount needed to be paid if the payment was made on 9 September 2022. A. Explain the cash discount terms of 6/10, 2/15 and net 30. Cash discount 6% is given if the bill is paid within 10 days, and cash discount 2% is given if the bill is paid within 11 to 15 days from the invoice date. Next, after 30 days from the invoice date, there is no cash discount given. Lastly, the bill must be settled within 30 days from the invoice date. B. Find the list price of the item. The information given is net price equal to RM4,999.28. First trade discount is 12%, second trade discount is 8%, third trade discount is 5%. The formula to find the list price is NP equal to L times 1 minus first trade discount times 1 minus second trade discount times 1 minus third trade discount. NP is 4,999.28 equal to L times 1 minus 0.12 times 1 minus 0.08 times 1 minus 0.05. Then 4,999.28 equal to L times 0.88 times 0.92 times 0.95. Next, 4,999.28 equal to L times 0.176912. So L equal to 4,999.28 over 0.176912. The list price is RM6,500. C. Determine the amount needed to be paid if the payment was made on 9 September 2022. First, we need to find the number of days from 26 August 2022 to 9 September 2022. From 26 August to 31 August is 5 days, and from 1 September to 9 September is 9 days, which equal to 14 days. So Amani received 2% of cash discount. The list price is RM6,500. First trade discount is 12%, second trade discount is 8%, third trade discount is 5%, and cash discount is 2%. The formula is NP equal to L times 1 minus first trade discount times 1 minus second trade discount times 1 minus third trade discount times 1 minus cash discount. So NP equal to 6,500 times 1 minus 0.12 times 1 minus 0.08 times 1 minus 0.05 times 1 minus 0.02. Then 6,500 times 0.88 times 0.92 times 0.95 times 0.98. So the net price is 4,999.29. Next, the amount needed to be paid is RM4,899.29 plus 300 ringgit, which is the transportation charges. So the amount needed to be paid is RM5,199.29. Question 4. A retailer received an invoice dated 4 February 2022 in the amount of 12,400 ringgit. Trade discounts were 16% and 9%, and the cash discount terms were 7/15, 2/35, and net 50. Calculate A. The single discount rate that is equivalent to the series of trade discounts given. B. The last date to settle the invoice. C. The total payment if the payment was made on 3 March 2022.
Question 4a, the single discount rate that is equivalent to the series of trade discount given. So the trade discount given is 16% and 9%. So the formula we will use is R equal to 1 minus bracket 1 minus R1 close bracket multiplied with bracket 1 minus R2 close bracket. So R equal to 1 minus open bracket 1 minus 0.16 close bracket multiplied with bracket 1 minus 0.09 close bracket. So R equal to 1 minus open bracket 0.84 close bracket multiplied with open bracket 0.91 close bracket. So R equal to 0.2356 and then we will multiply with 100% to get the percentage. So R equal to 23.56%.
B. The last date to settle the invoice. The invoice date is 4 February 2022 and the last day to settle the invoice is 50 days from the invoice date. So from the invoice date, which is 4 February to 28 February is 24 days, and from 1 March to 26 March is 26 days, which equal to 50 days. So the last date to settle the invoice is on 26 March 2022.
So, question C, the total payment if the payment was made on 3 March 2022. So the information that given is L, this price is RM12400. Then the cash discount term is 715, 235 and 50. RT is 0.2356 and RC is 0.02. So the total of the from 4 February 2022 to 3 March 2022 is 27 days. So the retailer get a cash discount of 2%. So the formula that we use is NP equals with L bracket 1 minus RT close bracket, then open bracket 1 minus RC close bracket. Then the calculation is NP equals with 12400 open bracket 1 minus 0.2356 close bracket, then open bracket 1 minus 0.02 close bracket. So the answer is for the total payment is RM9289.